Welcome to 021 Disrupt. 021 Disrupt is a celebration of that dream. Our dream, your dream, a shared dream. We are ready. No one is going to hold us back.
In January, inshallah, we'll be launching a fund for investing in fintechs in Pakistan.
There's something cooking in Pakistan.
The transformation has already begun. It's happening.
This is my second time in Pakistan, and I will keep coming back to Pakistan.
Change will start with all of us in this room. The question we need to be asking ourselves is not if a digital Pakistan is possible, but how soon can we start?
As an investor who sees companies globally, we were exposed to an enormous number of Pakistanis in the US, at conferences in London, in the Middle East, you name it, really talented people.
I'd heard a lot about Pakistan, but after coming here and seeing the activity and the potential, I'm more excited now. I think there's been a tremendous growth in the ecosystem over the last 3 years.
We are getting there.
Pakistan has a lot more to offer.
Conferences like this are key to bringing this change which we want to make happen in Pakistan.
One Disrupt has become a phenomenal conference for startups and just in general for the tech ecosystem in Pakistan.
It's obviously the biggest industry gathering here in Karachi. It's the conference where everybody comes together.
I see a lot of brimming startups, so many amazing speakers, so many young entrepreneurs, a lot of excitement, a lot of exchange going around, so it's phenomenal.
It is also a sign of maturity and coming of age of the ecosystem.